at this half kitten, half worm. Is this real creature? So strange. Few hours ago, Kitten was playing in the garden. He was too happy. Out of sudden, a worm just bit him. He started to become worm. How? This kitten has become full-fledged worm kitten monster who is out of control.
Bad intentions or lost control over mind, this worm brings harm to airport. It brutally targets airport and airplanes.
Oh no, why?
Kitten's mother is shocked to see her son as worm monster. Now, worm is trying to destroy it. Worm becomes 90-meter tall, and he is emitting a lot of green gas. This is so disturbing. This sends shockwaves around the city. Now, Cat Mom is on the journey to fight with worm monster. Cat uses green water spray to deal with worm monster. This is considered the best solution. Directly hitting green water on the head of worm monster can bring great results. Finally, size of worm monster is decreasing. That is significant impact. Now, kitten worm is in the final stage to become normal again. In effect, it becomes normal now. In the end, mother and kitten feel bad for what happened earlier. To keep watching such a wonderful content, subscribe to Funny Tides.